subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Xiaomi launched its first Mi Notebook laptop, the Mi Notebook 14 in India, back in June last year. Even though the company had filed RedmiBook trademark in India in January 2020, it took over a year for the company to launch a RedmiBook device in the country. Teaser image shows a laptop with a webcam and huge bezels around the display that doesn't resemble any products that were launched in China, so it could be a completely new laptop for India. Earlier rumors said that the company will launch the Mi Notebook Pro 14 and Mi Notebook Ultra 15.6 in India soon, but there are no details about the launch yet. New RedmiBook laptop will be sold on Flipkart, in addition to Mi.com. The company is teasing the color of the laptop, which will be revealed on July 28th. It will reveal more details in the coming days before it goes official next week. Xiaomi's Redmi brand has confirmed the launch of the first RedmiBook laptop in India on August 3rd. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.